Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the NET HELPMSG 2182 problem that you're experiencing on your Windows computer. So the full error message reads after you're done running the troubleshooting utility. There was a problem with the BITS service, which stands for Background Intelligent Transfer Service. The requested service has already been started. More help is available by typing NET HELPMSG 2182. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu. Type in CMD, best match, should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on it and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now into this elevated command line window, you want to type in SFC, followed by a space / scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and copy the second command I'm going to have in the description of the video. It starts with DISM, so go ahead and copy it, and then go up the top bar of the command prompt window, right click on it, select edit, and then paste it in. Hit enter to start running that scan. Again, it'll take a couple minutes to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and close out of here and restart your computer. So there you go, guys. Hopefully at this point you should be good to go and you shouldn't have that issue anymore. And if you wanted to attempt to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter again, you could. Otherwise, something else we can try here as well. Just open up the search menu and type in services. Go ahead and open that up. It should be the best match. And then go to the Background Intelligent Transfer Service and double click on it. You want to go ahead and stop the service if it's running and then start it again. And make sure startup type is set to automatic. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.